Want to make your legs look longer without stepping into sky-high heels? In this video, I'm sharing 8 simple styling tricks that instantly create the illusion of a longer, more streamlined silhouette. These are the same techniques stylists use to adjust proportion and guide the eye. And once you understand why they work, you'll start seeing your outfits differently and start making better choices every time you get dressed. Now, as I said, what we're really doing here is manipulating proportion. You're creating the illusion of a longer, more balanced silhouette by telling the eye where to look and not to look. Leg lengthening tip number 1, opt for high-waisted pants. They're perfect for this. The higher waistline draws the eye up, giving the appearance of longer legs. It's a quick and easy way to shift your proportions. On the left, the model wears a lower rise, but you can see how on the right, the higher rise makes her legs look longer. Here's another comparison. The higher rise on the right takes up almost 2/3 of her figure, whereas the one on the left cuts her in half. I'll show you a few of my favorite high-waist pants. I'm linking my blog post related to this below, so you'll have all the shopping links to what you'll see in this video. I love the soft denim mother and frame often use, and some of my favorite silhouettes for flattering your shape come from Theory and Favorite Daughter. Tip number 2, embrace floor-length hemlines. This is a great one. Now pair those high-waisted pants, or any style pant for that matter, with an almost floor-length hemline to create an uninterrupted vertical line. Shorter or crop pants tend to create a horizontal cut, visually shortening you to where the pants end. A longer hemline keeps the eye moving downward, enhancing the illusion of length. As you can see, the models appear taller when they wear floor-length hemlines. Here's an easy one. Tip number 3, tuck in your tops. A simple trick that makes a big difference is tucking in your shirt or wearing tops that stop right at your waistline. This emphasizes your waist and creates the ideal proportions, making your legs look instantly longer. Even partially tucking in your shirt makes your legs look longer. Look at the dramatic difference of something so simple. Your next trick is to match your shoes to your pants. When it comes to shoes, the higher the heel, the longer your legs will look. But don't worry if you prefer flats. You can still achieve that elongated effect by wearing shoes that match the color of your pants. This keeps the visual line unbroken and extends the legs seamlessly. These are some of my favorite flats for accomplishing that look. See how the black boots create a visual break at the hem of the pants? But the beige boots blur that line, so the legs appear longer. Here are a few of my favorites to consider for pulling off this trick. Moving on to 5, another classic stylist trick for longer looking legs is to coordinate your shoes with your legwear. You can see here that the opaque black tights she's wearing blend right into her black suede shoes. It just looks like one long line. You're just applying the same principle of matching your shoes to your pants, but for skirts and dresses, it's matching your shoes or boots to your tights. Here are some of my favorite options. Commando has a really nice opaque version, and nobody does a better body shaping top than Spanx. And I love Wolford for patterned hosiery that's made to last. Now, if you're just doing a bare leg look, opt for shoes the same color as your skin tone. This subtle coordination works wonders in elongating your legs. Any style shoe works. It's the color matching your skin tone that's doing the work. You can also achieve this illusion by wearing a very open shoe that shows a lot of your bare foot. The placement of the narrow straps on these sandals makes it seem like the model's legs continue right down to the floor. Here are a few open design sandals to help you find what you need. I especially love shoes by Vince for consistently balancing high design with real comfort. Your 6th leg lengthening tip is to go for pointed toe shoes. Pointed toe shoes are your best friend when you want to add length. They extend the appearance of your foot, which in turn makes your legs look longer and sleeker. No matter the heel height, the pointed toe creates the look you're after. On to number 7. Another tip to consider is that you may want to avoid ankle strap shoes. While ankle straps can be sexy, they tend to cut off your legs by creating a horizontal line, making your legs appear shorter. Opt for strapless shoes or ones that have a more open design to keep that uninterrupted leg line. A notable exception is ankle strap shoes in a shade that matches your skin tone. These seamlessly blend in, preventing that visual interruption that the higher contrast styles often create. Here are a few that come in a variety of colors so you can find your best match. And your final leg lengthening tip: choose tall boots in solid colors. They start near the hemline of your dress or skirt and are an amazing way to lengthen your legs. They keep the eye traveling vertically, giving you that long, sleek look. They don't have to be the same color as what you're wearing, but to pull off this leg lengthening styling trick, they should be about the same shade, meaning dark boots with dark clothing and light with light. I love this Western style by Frye. They're known for their incredibly well-constructed boots, so they're definitely worth the investment. Try one or a combination of these tricks and watch as your legs instantly appear longer. These tips are easy to incorporate into your wardrobe and they'll keep you walking tall. As you can see, it's not about your height. It's about how your clothes are working together. And once you understand that concept, you can apply it to almost anything in your wardrobe and create the shape you want others to see. I break this down step by step in my video on proportion. I'll link it right here so you can watch it. Do you like what you're learning? I teach you all of this and so much more in my transformational masterclasses. They're your 3 simple steps to building a beautiful wardrobe that fills you with confidence and makes you shine. You'll find the link below to learn more. And if you like more tips like this, you can join my VIP newsletter using the link below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.